On the 1st of May, we will celebrate the 124th Labor Day, where we honor the hard work and sacrifices of our brave workers across the country. With the theme, Disenteng Trabaho para sa Lahat, iisang hangarin, bagong Pilipinas, sama-samang mararating. The government will conduct job fairs, free services, and special events for Filipino workers, emphasizing their contribution to the continued growth of the economy. So let us hear from our workers about the essence of Labor Day here on PNA Talks. Big ideas, real conversations. May 1 or Labor Day is declared a regular holiday under the Presidential Decree number 442 or the Labor Code of the Philippines. Most Filipino workers view Labor Day as an important recognition of their sacrifice, diligence, and resilience, knowing their hard work drives the country's progress.
Labor Day to me is a moment to truly honor the hard work, the skill, and perseverance of the people who build and sustain our communities every single day. It's about recognizing the dedication behind every task, big or small, and celebrating the collective effort that pushes us forward as a society. It's a reminder that progress isn't accidental. It's the result of countless contributions from individuals who show up, overcome challenges, and give their best.
Siyempre, ang Labor Day, ito isang araw para gunitain ang sakripisyo at kagitingan ng ating manggagawa dito sa bansa. Mahalaga ito para sa akin dahil ito'y pagpapahalaga sa kanilang ambag, sa kanilang ibinubayad na buwis, at sa kanilang dugo at pawis para sa kontribusyon sa ekonomiya ng bansa.
Labor Day for me is a day where we celebrate and appreciate work. The rewards that we gain from our work and also the hardships that we endure. No work is easy, and this is especially true for us healthcare workers, especially us nurses. We take care of the sick. Our work is primarily centered on helping people. For my fellow nurses out there and fellow workers, let us continue to aspire to do better and to improve constantly and to be the best at what we do.
Dito mo kasi mapapakita ang mga sakripisyo ng mga manggagawa natin Pilipino na para din sa ating bansa. Ayun ang bumubuhay kasi sa Pilipinas yung mga paggawa ng sambayan ng Pilipino.
Iyan ang simbolo kang pagkasaro ng mga trabador. Kanya-kanya kayang mga trabaho ko.
Ito yung nagbibigay halaga para sa aming manggagawang Pinoy kasi nare-recognize yung ambag namin sa bayan.
Para sa isang pulis, ang Labor Day ay hindi lamang pagdiriwang ng paggawa. Ito ay pagkakataon upang magbigay pugay sa sakripisyo ng bawat Pilipino para sa bayan at sa mas magandang kinabukasan. Higit sa lahat, ito ay araw na sumasalamin sa aming patuloy na serbisyo, sakripisyo at dedikasyon sa sambayanan.
Some employees not only take pride in their work on Labor Day, but also take it as an opportunity to earn more. That's because the Labor Code states that employees who work on this day should be paid double their daily wage for the first 8 hours of their duties. For these workers, the additional income they could earn would help cover their expenses, support their loved ones, and achieve their dreams.
Mahirap, mahalaga po talaga ang Labor Day. Para po makaroon kami ng double pay at pagkatrabaho. Patok sa pamilya, saka pag-aaral lang ng mga anak.
Ang May 1 kasi, double pay para sa akin. Binibigay po ng kampanya po.
Papatuloy ako para sa tatlo kong mga anak, para mapag-aaral ko sila, para mapagawa ko rin yung dream house ko, kaya home lang ko sa pagtitinda, pagtatanim.
Sa araw-araw na pamumuhay para sa pamilya. At sana mapatisip din ng gobyerno at mabigyan ng konting tulong para sa pamumuhay.
While some Filipinos have decided to work on Labor Day, others will use this day to rest and spend quality time with their family.
Masal sa labas. Saka payan na rin buong araw. Sis lang sa gitna ng init. Para kumita lang ko kahit kunti-kunti lang para sa pamilya. Sa may uwi ka na kahit kunti lang sa bahay. Okay na yun.
Para talaga sa muya, at least pengalo talaga sa kabos nagatrabaho. At least may time sinda magkabandig sa mga pamilya ninda. Iyon man lang talaga ang planning sa Labor Day talaga para pamilya talaga. Takot natin sa Rox gobyerno na at least sa may nagatrabaho na may lang kami. Basta ba natawan na importansya, tatawan kaming holiday.
This Labor Day, we not only recognize the qualities of Filipino workers, but also honor their continued efforts in strengthening the foundations of our communities and the nation as a whole. Big ideas, real conversations. This is PNA Talks.